Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy vegan hummus. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, along with 1/4 cup of tahini. Also, have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 small garlic clove, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt ready. Finally, prepare 2 tablespoons of cold water to achieve that perfect creamy texture. This recipe is incredibly straightforward and delicious. Now let's get blending. Add your drained chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and salt into a food processor. Begin processing and slowly drizzle in the 2 tablespoons of cold water. This helps create a wonderfully smooth and light consistency. Continue to process for about 2 to 3 minutes, pausing to scrape down the sides of the bowl as necessary. You're aiming for a truly creamy texture. Once your hummus is beautifully smooth, it's time for the most important step, tasting. Give it a try and see if it needs any adjustments. You might want to add a little more lemon juice for brightness or a pinch more salt to enhance the flavors. Feel free to customize it to your liking. Then, transfer your delicious homemade hummus to a serving bowl and enjoy it with your favorite dippers. To keep your delicious vegan hummus fresh, simply transfer any leftovers into an airtight container. It will stay wonderfully fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prep throughout the week. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade hummus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.